The Louisiana Purchase. What can we learn from it? So first, let's find out what it is. The Louisiana Territory in the late 1700s, early 1800s is this area right here. It's a vast, massive territory going from the mouth of the Mississippi River all the way up to what is today the Montana-Canadian border. It includes control of the Mississippi River, the Missouri River, the Arkansas River, the Red River, the Great Plains, some of the most fertile farmland in America, parts of the Colorado Rockies, and Wyoming Rockies and Montana Rockies as well. And so it's full of massive resources. It's full of untapped potential at this time. And originally the Spanish controlled it. As we know, the Spanish were a superpower in the 14 and 1500s, but by the 1800s they are in rapid decline and they're unable to manage this territory. So they give it to the French with the hope that Napoleon and the French would not invade their territory in Europe. Kind of a peace offering, so to speak. Napoleon, when he obtains the territory, is still ambitious enough to think that he might be able to conquer most of the world, and he's hoping that the resources in Louisiana would help his efforts. However, Napoleon's empire quickly falls apart as his troops fail against the winter in Russia, and his strong foothold of the island of Haiti in the Caribbean is overtaken by a slave revolt that will lead to the creation of the country of Haiti. So at this point, Louisiana is for sale, and he wants to sell it to the Americans for cheap because he doesn't want the British to get their hands on it, and he needs the money to fund his army. So in a surprise, he offers Louisiana to Americans for a cheap price of $15 million. Works out to about 3 cents per acre. An awesome opportunity for our third president, Thomas Jefferson, and his regime. Of course, Thomas Jefferson believes in strict construction, so this opportunity to greatly increase the power of the United States will directly conflict with what Jefferson believes, which is that he can only do things that follow the Constitution. There's obviously nothing in the Constitution about presidents or the government purchasing land. So he has a tough decision to make. Is he going to stick with his original principles of strict construction, small government, not spending any extra money, or is he going to be open to adjusting his beliefs and principles and taking advantage of this massive opportunity to give the United States the resources that it needs? In the end, Jefferson does take that leap. He does take advantage of the opportunity. He's willing to change and adjust his beliefs and not be hard-headed and take advantage of the opportunity in front of him. We can learn a lot from this. You know, as people, we are constantly growing and expanding as we experience new experiences. As we learn more, our beliefs will adjust and change if we allow them to do that. We must be constantly growing. And as we grow, opportunities will jump in front of us. And a lot of times these opportunities will be challenging to us. They will make us uncomfortable. But we can't let our old beliefs and fear stop us from taking advantage of massive opportunities. And because Jefferson was able to take advantage of these opportunities, he was able to challenge his beliefs, he was willing to be open to new ideas, our country doubled in size and instantly became a superpower. Imagine what would have happened if he would have stuck by strict construction and not taken the deal. So what opportunities are in front of us that are going to help us have explosive growth? Are we willing to challenge our beliefs and take advantage of these opportunities, or are we going to just stay hard-headed and say the way we've always been? We must let things go. We must be open to new opportunities. We must be open to challenging and changing our beliefs when it's meant to be as we learn and experience new things.